Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the best sodium settings for Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So from here, all you have to do is to go to your options, and then from here go to your video settings. Then you're going to hover over quality and make sure that you're editing everything here. Now from here in the graphics section, you can either go for improved transparency or none, and then make sure that the clouds are set to fast. And then from here, going to go down for the wither distance, and then we're going to see all the extra qualities. Now from here, from the render distance is going to be the one thing that is going to extend on your performance. So make sure that your render distance is generally set to much lower in the general section right here, and make sure that it's set to like 8 or 10 chunks. And from here, same thing, 10 to 12 chunks is the best that you will need. Then from here, make sure that you enable full screen, and make sure that you are set on the highest resolution that your monitor provides, or you can go lower, and then from here it will just stretch it and make sure that it's something like 1280 by 720. Make sure that you have VSync disabled, and then for the max frame rate you can either set it to around 80 or maybe 60, just so that your computer doesn't overheat and so it lowers down. And then from here you can go to the quality section, and then for the improved transparency, then you can just make sure that it is enabled. And then from here for particles, you're going to just make it decreased. And for the smooth lighting, you're just going to disable it right here. And then make sure that you are using texture filtering and it's set to none. And then for performance right here, just make sure that everything is also set. Anything extra that you might not want, such as use fog occlusion or maybe advanced sections in here, then make sure that they are all off. And reduce FPS when AFK, make sure that this is enabled. And then at the end, just make sure that you click apply. As you can see, now we are loaded in low resolution, but our FPS is going to be much better and the performance is going to be much improved. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.